Imagine being able to make money online simply by reading. Yes, just by reading and using your voice, you can earn $50,000 to $2,000 easily per hour. Yes, you can earn this much money in a single hour. This method is completely free and effective, and you can do it regardless of where you live in the world. I will show you everything you need to know to get started on this, including all the necessary information so you can see how simple it is. So keep watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $50,000 to $2,000 just by reading. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe. Let's get started. Yes, now we can get paid to read books. Opportunities are turning up and providing chances to twirl things productive by earning money. Reading books is a great way to learn something new and expand your knowledge on any given subject. Like most other people, I used to read a ton when I was younger. Then life happened and I had to adult and spend most of my time focusing on work, parenting, and maintaining the household. One easy way to get into this field is by joining ACX. It is a free network to match voice narrators with authors that need their books turned into audiobooks. ACX is free to join, and you don't need to be experienced. Here, I will tell you my tips for working from home as a voice narrator. ACX is one of the best performing marketplaces where literary agents, authors, and publishers can connect with engineers, narrators, and recording studios to produce a finished audiobook. Owned by Amazon and Audible, ACX aids match narrators with book and author publishers by giving them a chance to submit auditions for open audiobook projects. To use ACX, you will need to live in the United States, UK, Ireland, or Canada. The best thing is that it does not have a formal application, and the whole process is 100% free. In addition, once you sign up with ACX, you can start getting paid for your project on the site. However, the most asked question among the newbies is how much do ACX narrators make? Well, to find out, consider this video to the end as I answer this question, along with other frequently asked questions on ACX narrators. How much can I learn with ACX as a newbie without experience? As a newbie, you should note that ACX does not operate as a get-rich-quick platform. It takes persistence and effort to become successful when using this platform. However, in the meantime, getting projects on ACX is not as challenging as you can imagine. Therefore, if you are on the lookout for an incredible way of making extra income from home, ACX should be the best platform for you. The only trick is that you should learn how to record audiobooks the best way. Nonetheless, it is highly recommended not to jump into full-time until you have experience and optimize your workflow. As a newbie, you can get paid maximum profits since you will be gaining experience and grow to become a seasoned narrator. However, the amount you get paid as an ACX narrator will highly depend on an array of factors, including pay rate, your experience as a narrator, your audiobook's length, as well as a platform to create the audiobook. As a novice, you can earn from $10 PFH per finished hour to $100 PFH. On the other hand, an experienced narrator can earn up to $100 PFH to $350 PFH. Usually, PFH is determined by the narrator's pay rate for every completed audiobook. PFH. This is a one flat rate payment for a whole audiobook. Royalty share. This involves splitting royalties 50-50 with the rights holder or the author. Royalty share plus. This is the combination of PFH and royalty share. Most ACX narrators use the royalty share. This means you will earn 50% of whatever you make from audiobook sales on Amazon, Audible, as well as iTunes. For instance, when the author earns $10 for every audiobook sold, you will earn $5, which is 50% of the royalty. When the book sells well, this is without a doubt a great deal. For instance, when my share is $6 per book, an average for 5 to 6 hours audiobooks, and the book sells approximately 100 copies per month, this one book can earn you up to $600 per month. Although this is a hypothetical scenario, it does not mean it's unobtainable. By now you can visualize how recording several royalty share audiobooks can add up as time progresses. However, not all books recorded as royalty shares are guaranteed to sell incredibly well. Some books might sell worse or better depending on Amazon's sales rank, reviews, and the author's promotional efforts. Recording royalty share audiobooks will be best for you if you need an excellent way of earning passive income. Although it will be slow to build it as a newbie, as time progresses and you become an experienced ACX narrator, you will start making more from royalty share audiobooks than taking a one-time PFH payment. It is due to this reason that most ACX narrators prefer mixing per finished hour projects and royalty shares. With PFH, you will have a chance to make money right away. On the other hand, royalty share will ensure you get paid over. This means that you will continue receiving payment even when you stop recording audiobooks in the future. This is why Royalty Share Plus stands out as the best form of payment in ACX. Unlike Royalty Share Plus allows the author to pay a small fee to narrators that will cover production costs, proofing, editing, as well as mastering. Usually, the author and narrator negotiate between the small upfront fees. When the audiobook becomes available, you will receive 20% royalty as the narrator, and the author will also receive 20% royalties. What makes this program an excellent program is that when the author does not have sufficient money to use in the production program, you, as the author, will get paid a lower amount to aid the narrator. Furthermore, you will also have access to narrators who might have previously considered pay for the production program. You will also have access to the Bounty program as an ACX narrator. In case the author or you, as the narrator, receive new subscribers to Audible, you will receive $50 and $25 respectively. There are currently over 1,855 books listed on ACX ready for auditors to narrate, and every day, new titles are added to the platform. These high numbers of projects on the platform had remained consistent for years. Therefore, there is no shortage of work on ACX. To get started, here are things you will require. Gather the required equipment. Create a narrator profile for free on ACX. Create a quiet space for recording in your home. Closets are considered the best. Create approximately 1 to 3 audio samples and then upload them on your ACX profile. Audacity is a perfect tool for creating audio samples, and the best part is that it is free of charge. These samples will give your profile an excellent and professional look. You should start auditioning for the available books on ACX. Consider doing so until you get the first job on the platform. To get started, you will need to invest in high-quality equipment that will aid in recording some top-notch audiobooks. These tools include professional high-quality microphone. The most recommended microphone is condenser microphones. Pop filter. This tool is highly essential when it comes to preventing too much air from getting into the mic that will result in the popping sound, often known as plosives. Microphone stand. When recording an audiobook, stability and flexibility are of great essence. This allows you to move the mic around in a comfortable position for an extended period. Headphone. A pair of Studio Monitor headphones over your ears is ideal when it comes to recording audiobooks. Editing recording software. To record and edit your recordings, you will require a program to help you create outstanding auditions, samples, and audiobook chapters. As a narrator, the earnings on ACX differ significantly, and it often depends on the type of platform you settle for. Choosing a platform to work with as a newbie narrator becomes relatively easy. As I conclude, I hope you have found this video beneficial as you plan to record audiobooks on ACX. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this valuable content, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos and I'll see you in the next video.